Who you think? Award goes to Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you both of you. Thank you. God bless. मुझे मालूम है ये अवार्ड सलमान बहुत ट्राई कर रहा था कि उसको मिल जाए, लेकिन आई थिंक मैंने सलमान से अच्छा शायद नहीं गाया, शायद मैं उससे अच्छा देखता भी नहीं हूं, लेकिन मेरी बॉडी सलमान से बेटर है, इसलिए उन्होंने मुझको ये अवार्ड दे दिया। और मुझे ये भी मालूम है कि शान अभी मुझे बोलेंगे, he will tell me that you've got the best singer award and say thank you to everyone. So I want to thank all the people involved. I want to thank San Francisco, everyone, all you guys here. You are absolutely wonderful, all of you. Thank you. And as the case is, I know Shan, you're going to tell me कि मैं गाने के दो बोल गा के सुनाऊं. I know you're gonna say. I know you want me to sing a few words of the song. I know, Shan, I know. Shan,
It's really all right. You don't really have to sing now. It's an award given to you.
I will sing a few lines of the song Kal Ho Na Ho. I know Shan wants me to do this, and for
your own sake, sir. Don't. Okay, yeah.
Shan, I know you're dying for me to sing this song, yaar. I'm gonna do it for you and San Francisco. So,
Go ahead.
my friend Babul Supriyo is going to help me with this. And on the day of this special day of winning an award for background singing, here goes for everyone in San Francisco, Kal Ho Na Ho. Chris, can we have the sound?
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी,
छाँव है कभी कभी है
रूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा
कल हो ना हो।
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है रूप जिंदगी, हर पल जो है समा कल हो न हो।
This one is for Salman.
चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है, बस वही सबसे हंसी है, उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो मेहरबान कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी ढल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी कल हो न हो।
Thank you, Shan, and I'm very glad for this award, and I thank San Francisco, I thank India Sangeet Awards, I thank all the organizers, the Mehtas here, and of course Salman for being so wonderful. and I will cherish this award a lot. Thank you.
Actually, Mr. Shakwan, then there's a slight problem. I just went backstage and the members of the jury and a lot of people here felt that we cannot give you this award because एक तो आपने वो गाना बहुत अच्छा गाया वहाँ लेकिन यहाँ लाइव परफॉर्मेंस जो आफ्टर ऑल संगीत अवार्ड है संगीत का तौहीन हो रही है जिस तरह से आपने गाया वो भी हेल्प के साथ पीछे मैंने देखा बैक स्टेज बाबुल सुप्रियो गा रहा था तो मैं आपको कैसे
One second, yeah, please, Sean.
I know
Sean, please don't humiliate me in front of whole of San Francisco. I mean, please, can I?
मैं क्या मुझे कहा गया है सर I'm really sorry. Can you imagine?
Please.
एक तो ऐसे गाने के बाद फिर लाइव अवार्ड भी चाह रहे हैं.
This is easily the most humiliating moment of my life. Even Salman told me मैंने बहुत बुरा गाया है. But it's okay. I'm very sporting. I thank all the dancers who dance so well from Shamak Dawa's troupe. And I'm thankful to you that you people had so much patience and listened to me. Next time round, what I will do is I will try and stick to what I do best. Acting, dancing and stuff like
Wonderful. That's the
that.
spirit.
Yeah. Thank you, Shan. I will meet you later for
Shan.
taking this award away from me. Yeah.
I think I'll give it back to you later. I promise. You
All right.
deserve it.
And what I was called here actually was that I can give away an award in the category, which is a very important category. The category is Best Playback Singer Female Critics Award.
Wonderful.
And ladies and gentlemen, tonight, this award is a very special one because it is a difficult category to win in. All the jury, the judges, they sit around and discuss the actual modality and the intricacies of singing. The Best Playback Singer Female goes to Ms. Sapna Mukherjee. May I have her on stage, please, everybody. It's wonderful that you're here tonight, and it's a great honor, and thank you.